President of the Nabilo community, District Advisory Councillor and Committee of the Nabilo community, ladies and gentlemen. Bolo Binaka, and very good afternoon to you all. I'm pleased to be here this afternoon to officiate at the handing over of the Nabilo Evacuation Center retrofitting project. One of the ministry's objectives is to assist in ensuring that impacts of disasters to people and communities are reduced. This is the reason for supporting such types of projects. We are still in the cyclone season and have been experiencing continuous heavy rain in the past couple of weeks. In ensuring that we are well prepared in this cyclone season, the handing over of this project has come at an opportune time. This project is part of government's commitment to foster inclusivity, safety, protection and security in the rural areas during disasters. We believe that the project will provide a safe place for the vulnerable groups in the community, including women, senior citizens and even people with disabilities or are physically challenged. We trust that you will also accommodate those from nearby communities who will need shelter in the event of a natural disaster. Today's handover event is to mark the completion of a project that is being implemented in our current financial year. Ladies and gentlemen, the Nabilo Evacuation Center project is one of the first 4 projects implemented in this current financial year using the new RID approach, that is, risk-informed development planning measures for sustainability purposes and building resilience. The upgrading or retrofitting of the evacuation center was at a project cost of $28,952, and the evacuation center will benefit 72 households and 329 people in Nabilo and nearby communities. This building will also be used as a multi-purpose hall for meetings and other important occasions such as workshops, awareness trainings and religious gatherings. I would therefore encourage the committee members to work together and link up with other agencies, either non-governmental organizations or business and private bodies, or even faith-based organizations, so they can access assistance packages offered through their programs in addressing disaster risk management. The officers of the ministry can also assist in connecting you to such organizations, so please pursue such avenues. It is important that we as individuals also be prepared for times of disaster. With those few words, I have much pleasure in handing over the Nabilo Evacuation Center retrofitting project. Now,